So I thought I'd set the record straight with the age-old question, how many plants can you fit in an SUV? I think I set the record, but Ann Rose is out of town for the week, so I stuck as many drippy trees and hydrangeas and everything that I could in her car because I know she likes that. And it goes deep. And we got some more up here, so we'll check them out. We'll count how many we got and see if we set the record or not. It's that special time of year when Home Depot's got everything for 75% off, and we cleaned them out. We had to go check a few here in the Chicago area, but we found one in Arlington Heights that still had a lot of trees, so 75% off on trees is quite a bit. So we got 40 plants for 198. I'm not sure if that's more. I think that's more than. Ooh, there's the hummingbird moth. Check it out. Where'd he go? Oh, it's a little one. Those things are cool, man. Oh, there it is. That's awesome. One of the coolest pollinators. You seen that moth?
Yeah.
Anyway, we got 40 plants. We got 2 spruces, 1 mountain pine. We got 4 crab apples, 1 red maple, 24 blue little hydrangeas. They were $5 each, less than 5, 4 something. And then some pink ones. And then we got some hibiscus yesterday, which I'm not counting, but we're gonna add that to the fold here, and we'll have plenty of stuff to plant out in the beds. I think we need to spruce up that bed we just made, and I think trees will add a lot of vertical depth to that. So I'll probably go back. So I really felt I could have done better yesterday, and I feel like Gavin really wanted to go back, and I knew my wife would be even more proud. So we went back again today, and I think I beat my PB, so here we go. We got 4 little cooses because my grandfather loved these. There's a neat little botanical garden in Ohio called Mill Creek Park. And they have probably 110-year-old Coosa. Just an amazing tree. It's pruned like a tree, but the top is flat, almost like a tabletop. So it's a tabletop Coosa, and then they've got the star blooms that just cover the top. It's awesome. So what we ended up on this trip is one big sugar thyme, I think, which is a white crab apple, 4 Coosas, one big autumn blaze maple, yeah, a large sergeant type crab apple, and these are pruned in kind of the puffball shape. I don't really know what you'd call it. We got a prairie fire back here and another sugar thyme, and then we got 2 of the blood good London plains trees, but they're the bigger caliper size, so it's about 3 years ahead of probably these guys, and it's only like $5 more. So, and then we got what I think is a big prairie fire, which is my favorite. It's got that dark foliage. Actually, it doesn't have any crab apples on it, so I'm wondering if that's like a plum. I'll have to check that on the app. And then we got a limelight and another blue Nico that I didn't see yesterday. So not as much volume as yesterday, but definitely more size and more vertical. So that'll really stand out in the gardens. And I think I got these 2 blue Japanese pines and didn't talk about those. So that was yesterday, but that's going to be a really slow grower. I broke one of the branches, was really not pleased with that, but they are crazy heavy. So big tree. It's got some neat winter interest, I guess, with the pine cones and little guys right there even coming up. So I think those will look good for winter interest. And a lot of this other stuff will be nice vertical and habitat even for the birds and stuff. So we got a lot of stuff we added to our nursery for really late summer and fall planting. So really like this little mountain pine, and we're gonna figure out how all this will go together pretty soon. But we got a new bed we definitely need to add some vertical layers to, and this will help with that. So stay tuned for that, and we'll show you an update probably on that bed in the next week or so. So thanks for watching.